Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping SIM card and mobile data. Choose the active SIM that handles calls. Once there, look immediately for a VO LTE or Enhanced 4G/HD voice toggle and try turning it off. If a simple toggle appears, switch it off, then restart the phone to apply changes. I'm showing this first because toggling in SIM settings is quickest and preserves 4G data while disabling VO LTE call routing. If you don't see a VO LTE toggle, change the preferred network type to force non-VO LTE calling. You go to the SIM's preferred network type and pick WCDMA only or WCDMA/3G. Doing this prevents the phone from using 4G voice services and forces calls over 3G, which disables VO LTE. Once done, reboot so the radio reconnects to the selected network. This method is the reliable fallback when manufacturer options hide the VO LTE switch. To finish, place a test call and check mobile data. Make sure voice is routed over 3G, not VO LTE. If calls fail or you lose data, revert to previous network mode, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off to force reconnect. If the phone re-enables VO LTE after updates or SIM swaps, update system software and confirm carrier settings. Contact your carrier if VO LTE remains enforced. They can push a profile change or advise model-specific steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.